To generate a video overview using NotebookLM is a pretty simple process. The first thing I need to do is select Chapter 1 as my source, and then I'll click the little arrow next to Video Overview. And I've got several different options. You can do a cinematic video in English. You can do explainer videos, which tend to be about 10 minutes long in any language of your choosing. And then you can also do a short in, I was going to say any language, I think just in English right now. This is a new feature. And this is about a 2-minute video, and this one is only in English. So if you wanted a short video, your best option is probably creating a slide deck inside of NotebookLM and then exporting it to Google Vids and creating your short that way. Today, though, I'm going to make an explainer video. I'm going to generate it in English, but I can do it in lots and lots of other languages. I can let NotebookLM choose the style, but I'm actually going to choose my own today. We're going to use the anime style, and I am going to give it a custom topic. So I'm going to paste my prompt here and then walk you through it. I'm asking NotebookLM to generate a comprehensive deep dive video overview of the text for 5th grade students, covering only the provided source. I want it to use age-appropriate images to help the audience visualize the content. I want it to introduce the passage title with excitement, break the chapter down into its major components. I don't want it to skim, but to explain the why behind the character's actions so the students understand the stakes. I want, when it generates images of characters, I want it to pay ultra close attention to explicit mentions or subtle context clues regarding ethnicity, cultural background, skin tone, hair texture, style, facial features, traditional or modern attire. I don't want it to generalize. I want it to adhere strictly to the text. And then for vocabulary words, I want every bold word to be stated clearly, displayed at an age-appropriate image that clearly depicts the words, and then I want it to provide a simple student-friendly definition. I want NotebookLM to explain how the word is being used in context, and I want all of my images and languages to be appropriate for elementary age children. I don't want it to include any swear words, nudity, or obscene images. Once I'm content with my prompt, I'll go ahead and click generate. And this will take a few minutes, but once it's finished generating, it'll be right here and ready for my preview.